when someone is booked into jail, many of the choices they use to make each day about when to wake up, what to wear, or what to eat, well, they're made for them.
But in Forsyth County, the inmates there do get to choose to better themselves every day. Fox 8's Madison Forsey introduces us to the program, helping them improve their mental health to stay out of jail.
This is just a season in their life.
No matter the season, it's always the right time to make a change.
I honestly can see a change in every last one of them.
Captain Lashika Ferguson is talking about the 20 members of the behavioral health unit she sees cycle through about every 8 weeks.
They're kind of there and they're their own little community. So, you know, they take care of each other. They take care of the unit. So they're their own little community down there.
The unit was established in 2021 to get extra, more individual help to inmates who want that change. They battle everything from anxiety and depression to more severe bipolar disorder and schizophrenia.
Individuals make a commitment to themselves. They're choosing to invest in themselves. So I'm actually surprised by the willingness to have that commitment to themselves.
After they're vetted, they work with 3 mental health professionals and a nurse practitioner staffed by NAFCare through group sessions and one-on-one therapy.
Hey, do I struggle with emotional regulation? Do I struggle with distress tolerance? How can I learn some mindfulness skills and interpersonal effectiveness skills?
After 8 weeks, they walk in a graduation-style ceremony, and for many of them, it's the first time they've experienced a graduation of any kind.
We also allow different portions within the graduation to where we even have some of their family members record messages to them, and it helps boost their confidence in themselves, and it allows them to know that they really have something good to work hard for.
While the team hasn't tracked the exact numbers of if it helps keep these inmates out of prison in the future, they see it working in their eyes every day.
It is a great start to have them step out into the community in a firm foundation.
Madison Forsey.
We don't want them to come back in here, but we're here to help.
Fox 8 News.
The next graduation is at the end of this month on the 21st.